Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. Today it's me and Lincoln. Normally our channel is being Bagel if you've never visited this before. It's my wife and I, and we normally review food and products, talk about relationship stuff occasionally. But today it's just me and Link. And what I wanted to do was try some new dog treats and see how he responds. Typically he's not a picky eater, so if he doesn't like these, then I feel bad for the manufacturers because he'll eat practically anything. So we're gonna see if he won't eat these. He looks like he's falling asleep on me. He's already bored. So anyway, the first one we have is 3 Dog Bakery Puppy Butters. This is a new product that was recently released. I'm gonna open them up. I'm gonna see how he does. I bet he perks up after these open up. I love peanut butter cookies and peanut butter in general, so man, if he doesn't like these, then I don't know if you're my best friend anymore. So, 3 Dog Bakery Puppy Butters. Let's see how Mr. Lincoln thinks of them. So you can look at them and see it looks like a peanut butter cookie. So it's really kind of cool. What do you think? What do they look like? Yeah. Smells like peanut butter. I mean, it smells like something you'd get at a grocery store for people. So let's see what he thinks. Oh, that's good, huh? He ate it. Let's see if he eats more. Oh yeah, that's good stuff. He knows what's good. I kind of want to try it. Dude, that tastes like a peanut butter cookie. I could eat these. They're really good. Anyway, next one. Rachael Nutrish chicken and waffles. I like chicken and waffles. Let's see what these are like. So you get a little waffle and you get a little drumstick. These kind of smell more like dog food, dog treats, I guess I should say. Let's see if he likes them. Oh yeah. He's kind of like a garbage disposal. He's not really picky, except you got some on the pants or the drumstick. You want that? Oh yeah. What's this drumstick taste like? That's hard. Doesn't taste like chicken to me. It's not that bad though. It kind of tastes like jerky. And that's pretty far from a waffle. Doesn't taste really like a waffle. You know that? So, if I were eating them, I would eat the peanut butter cookies. And he'll eat anything, won't you? Oh yeah. Thanks for joining us. Have a good one.